So we're saying, fuck it.
Yeah.
Dr. Dre,
Yeah.
Puff Daddy,
Yeah.
made a baby.
Yeah. Purists might say that mixing different beers together is blasphemy. But if I've learned anything in the last 23 years in the brewing game, it's that screwing with tradition can actually be a good thing when you're trying to do something special. So today I'm here at Seamstress Craft Cocktail Bar on the Upper East Side with legendary MC N.O.R.E, here to prove that sometimes with beer, if you add more ingredients together, much like with a rap career, it can be exponentially awesome. So, it is true, we are here to party.
Yes.
This drink's looking at me.
I'm about to taste it.
Right?
I heard. Am I rushing it?
No.
Okay.
I heard you used to drink a lot of IPAs, right?
I used to drink IPAs. Yeah. I was a real beer guzzler. Yeah. I used to go to London and Australia so much that IPAs. Is IPA from like Europe?
London, yeah, you're right.
From London?
England.
Okay, so I used to drink it so much, but I started drinking wine.
Yeah.
So this is my first time returning back to beer.
We're gonna get you back.
Because of you.
Baby steps. This one's called Liquid Truth Serum. You can't help but tell the truth when you drink this beer. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's fucking fantastic.
Let me know what you think.
Classic IPA. This is what I want from an IPA. Immediately, the flavors pause, circus in my mouth. It's the strongest flavor without it being like hardcore liquor.
Yeah, that and I'd say malt liquor.
I don't fuck with malt liquors, I'm sorry. I'm
What?
from the hood, from the projects.
Never?
It's not a great thing, so we try to stay away from malt liquor at this point, as grown men.
On Hot Ones, you were talking a little bit about how St. Ides was a beer that really did a good job of integrating into the hip hop culture, and they did a whole series of ads with awesome first gen, legends.
They did an ad with Biggie Smalls, they did an ad with Wu-Tang Clan, and at this time, we in the hood identified more with Budweiser.
Yeah.
Meaning Budweiser was the beer that our fathers drank and our grandfathers drank. St. Ides was smart enough to say, you know what? Hip hop is the leading culture of the world. And to me, that made St. Ides the illest company in the world for recognizing our culture.
For decades, you've been in the game, but you've defined what the definition of the game is.
Right.
From rap to your podcast, journalism, now into food.
Yes.
You've got a long, long tradition of mixing shit up.
Yes, I do.
So that's where we're going next.
Are we mixing that?
We're gonna mix some beers. People have heard of Black and Tan. That's like, Guinness and
kind of like normal.
We're gonna mix two beers together and make something totally new.
I am so ready.
Let's do it.
Salud. I imagine it's half of this and half of this, and that makes one drink. Yeah. Is that correct?
You're right.
So let me try.
All right, this is some DIY shit. Let's do this.
What is this called?
So this one, Sequench Ale. It's got lime juice, black lime, sea salt in it. What?
I've never heard of this combination.
Yeah.
Continue.
And then this one's Lupa Luau, coconuts, and a coconut scented hop in it.
He's my friend. I really like this guy. Yeah. I definitely don't know what he's trying to do to me right now. Because I've never heard of this type of mixture, but I'm in.
We call it lime in the coconut. So let's try this. Tell me what you think.
I'm gonna fake it like it's wine.
Yeah. How would you go through your first sip of a wine that you're super psyched, like a nice bottle of wine that you bought? What would your ritual be before you take that
This would
first
be the exact ritual. I pour it.
Yeah.
I look at the legs.
Yeah.
I'll make sure the legs is coming down.
Yeah.
There's no legs here.
Yeah.
Obviously. It's beer. I smell it.
First thing, smell.
The wine is fantastic. Let's make some noise! It's definitely not the way I really do it in real life.
So I want your impressions on this. One more sip and then rate, I just want spontaneous reaction of what you think of this.
Okay.
A man with educated palate.
First off, the smell is intoxicating.
Yeah.
As soon as you smell it, you smell like you might play hooky. Like even though you know that you're not in school.
Yeah, you might go day drinking.
Yeah. Like it smells like hooky.
It smells like hooky at a school you're at least 21 years old.
All right, now I'm tasting it again.
Yeah.
No, it's great.
Yeah.
The reason why it's great is because it's the bitter and the sour taste together.
Yeah.
You put it together and it just works.
I couldn't say any better than that. Let's move on to the next blend.
I'm in.
Now we're having the Brooklyn Brown and the Sierra Nevada. It's a nod to the traditional English mixture, remix of beers, black and tan. But profile-wise, I wanted this to be like one of your favorites, Newcastle Brown. These are two of the OG American craft beers.
But it's American.
American,
Okay.
but like first generation. If I could do like a little hip hop comparison, New York hip hop, these guys were first. West Coast, these guys were first.
So we're saying, fuck it. Dr. Dre,
Okay.
Puff Daddy,
Yeah.
made a baby.
Yeah. Nice. Let's do it.
Coming together.
Cheers. Let me know what you think
Do I
of this.
smell?
Let's see. Yeah, what do you think? It's a different glass, but let me know what you think.
That's a different type of smell,
I
too.
tried to think about what a Newcastle Brown
This
tastes
is
like.
definitely Newcastle-ish. This is amazing.
It's good, right?
This is amazing.
So, great story about these guys. So, early 90s, no one gave a shit about small brewery beers, like from American breweries. Just like in the early 80s, no one gave a shit about hip hop, mainstream-wise,
exactly.
right?
I understand.
But these guys came together. These guys opened this brewery, and they couldn't sell enough of their beer in New York.
Brooklyn,
yeah. So they invited Sierra Nevada and some other breweries to put their beer on the same truck so that they could deliver together and have some economies of scale.
Wow, and then now they're
Both kicking ass.
kicking ass.
Yep.
I think beer is the most common drink to connect people because you can see a rich person, you can see a poor person, and they can both be at the airport at the same bar, and they might order the same exact thing.
Yeah.
So that's the reason why I like beer.
Yeah.
Beer levels you out.
Today we built our own DIY remixes of these beers.
Yes.
But your past's been pretty complex. You've woven a lot of different art forms into each other.
You're right. You're right.
So you know that we're at Seamstress. What they're known for is classic craft mixology. And we are gonna go hang with the proprietor, Pamela. As I sent her in advance some of your favorite ingredients, both beverage side and culinary side.
Is it pistachio in there?
I'm not telling.
All right, I love pistachio.
But she's gonna put a bunch of stuff together.
Okay.
And she's going right after your palate.
All right, I'm in. Don't tell me shit.
Hip hop legend.
What?
Podcast powerhouse, the host of a different kind of food show. For a drinker as multifaceted as my guest, N.O.R.E, we had to mix things up and create a never-before-seen beer cocktail that's layered, complex, and a little off-center. To complement the mellow bitterness of 60-Minute IPA, our mixologist guru, Pamela Wisnitzer, added Hennessy, pistachio milk, lemon juice, and sugar to create a perfect storm of N.O.R.E's favorite things, all in one glass. This is the classic shandy, remixed for a rap tight.
Beer can be just, mixed like one-on-one. You guys are making some like black and tans and a few things. But we can also make beer cocktails, which is huge right now.
Never heard of a beer cocktail.
Well, you can't say that after today.
My beer cocktail virginity is yours.
Oh.
Okay. All right.
I've been waiting for this moment my whole life. My whole life.
Fantastic.
So we're gonna start with the first ingredient, which is just some citrus. This is fresh lemon juice, a little bit of cane syrup, just to add a touch of sweetener. I hear you like pistachio.
Did they tell you that?
They did tell me that.
I'm a pistachio guy.
So we actually have a pistachio milk. You and I have a shared love of cognac. So we're adding a bit of Hennessy VSOP. We're gonna be adding a bit of the Dogfish Head 60-minute. With beer cocktails, we do something called rolling or throwing a cocktail. And the whole point is to lengthen the drink and to pull all the ingredients and flavors together, but not to lose the bubbles. Just for aesthetics, there's some dehydrated lemon and then pistachio, right? So grated up some pistachio on top.
I'm not gonna lie. She is good.
This is gonna be for you guys.
Nice. So good.
You realize that there's beer in there,
Yeah.
but you don't actually, off the first sip, you don't think that. The thing is, you think that you're actually drinking a cocktail.
Because
And
you
then
are.
the beer comes later.
Yeah, I love the mix of the citrus, the nuttiness from the pistachio, and the cognac's just like in the middle of it. It's the heart, but it's not everything.
I hope it did justice to the beer, you know?
It did.
Just-
Well
I'm not gonna
done,
lie.
Pamela.
The still straw,
That's what's up.
you win. Thank you so much, my brother. Oh my God.
We had some
this
fun.
guy done told me everything. He taught me the world. I am now a beerologist.
Yes, you are. And she's a mixologist.
She's a mixologist.
Together we'll conquer the world.
Yeah, us three. God damn it.